Heading to a new construction store, supply store, new hardware. I'm going right here. So at the come, I just saw that they have this over here too. We're looking for anchor bolts here. Anchor bolts. You just gotta be patient, dig through it. I finally scored them. My first time in this store as well, or this construction hardware store. First time for everything. Let's see which aisle we can go down next. We got the tool section. We got kitchen and laundry back there. Tools, your favorite. They have the diamond blade in here, but it seems what's hard to find here in Belize is the one that has the diamond knockout. There's another one there, but they don't have the diamond. There it is. We have the diamond knockout there. So now I know where I can find for my saw. Been to a couple other stores, so if you need the diamond blade and you have this type of saw, you can come check them out at this store.
You want one? You want three?
We have kitchenware up in here too.
12 feet from the 4 wire.
I've never been in there either as well. It's walking distance from where we're at too. Big man. So we're gonna put these right here in this plate, and as you can tell, it needs to happen like now, because see, it's moving. So most of the framing got done with this bad boy right here, and I was just saying that this is the saw that has the diamond knockout blades. And we hit a pause now because gotta go up there and use these as our fire blocking. We're stopping over here, and we have our last stud clearance at 7 feet 3 inches from the thread up to the ceiling. This is property of Rootswork Construction and property of Empowered by Rootswork Channel Studios, brought to you live. Hype us up, hype us up. We work for like, share, comments. Remember to subscribe and check out the about section. We have membership available. Oh, I'm feeling it today. Yeah. Switched out to shorter screws. I called for shorter screws. I'm burning up. It's hot today. Woo! I feel like I have a fever. Like it's 122. Even though I know that's not possible. Alright, let's see what's happening.
Yes. Now you screw it. Screw it. Then I'm gonna push it down. Screw it there. Papa, no flip. Alright, now on this side.
I know if I'm feeling it, I know he's feeling it. They came to play today too. They performed well today. Guy using it figured how to use the tool and got better at using it. We're burning up today. So when we're finished, this jack is coming out. This jack is coming out. This jack is coming out. This jack. This jack. This jack. This jack. This jack coming out. And this jack.
We should get better board.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yo, we're having a great time today. And we gotta come back with the face cap.
I don't know why that fucking dirty.
They asked me if something's wrong with me right now. I'm hiding from the sun. Holding up this wall. I'm holding up this wall because I need some shade. Remember, from here on out, watch your heads. Watch your heads. Alright, we're going up now. Remember to always pull your tools and stick them in the shade. Just like how you feel in the heat. The parts and stuff are being overworked, and if they sit there in the hot sun, no breeze, no cool air, they'll just stay hot, they can't cool down.